Okay, you stay right here, okay? Lincoln, stay by Bro, okay? What is it? You don't know?
It's a bunch of cars.
A bunch of cars?
Yeah. Look. A bunch of cars.
Do we know them?
Yeah.
We do? Stay right here. Peyton, grab your gift. Peyton, grab your gifts.
This one's for Linky.
We'll gather the candy afterwards, okay? Love you. Peyton!
Hi, Peyton!
Don't worry about putting it in the bag.
Say hi to Grandma and Papa. They're on the phone.
Wow. Okay, baby. Huh.
Very special gift for you. I love you. Hey, won't you take the sign?
I love the balloons. Peyton, take your sign. Go grab your sign.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Okay, set it down. Look at
It's a dragon car.
Okay, say bye, love you, Grammy. It's okay. It's okay. Love you.
Happy birthday.
Oh my goodness. Look at the size. Wow. Peyton, look it. Babe drew a lizard. Thank you, guys. Woo!
Bye, Pepe. Happy birthday. Bye.
You better get it all.